Hello guys, Qatar Life here. So karon we gonna go to Crescent Tower and it's called also Fairmont Hotel. Wow, so amazing. Look at that. The tower is so huge. Wow. So we gonna go up there to go to the entrance area. So can you see guys? Have you been here? This is located at Lusail. Look at that. Hello guys, Qatar Life here. So now, pupunta tayo sa Kempinski Hotel. So nandito kami sa parking. We are in the parking area. Go surrounding. And then the security guard. There, it has flag right there. So we're gonna pass by this side. The opposite of that is Pearl Qatar. So we're gonna buy this beautiful views like that. So going like heading up to the main entrance right behind the entrance one. This is the main entrance of Kempinski Hotel. There's a bit slope right there, so we're gonna go in, and this is the lobby, the waiting area, the reception area. Look at the beautiful chandelier up there. It's very nice. And the backside, as you can see, it has many swimming pool and the beach right there. So beautiful, as you can see, very nice. Look at that guys, how beautiful. And also the lobby area, as you can see the design, the waiting area, the high ceiling, it's so beautiful, amazing. It's Kempinski Hotel here in Doha, Qatar. It's look around, very high ceiling guys, very high ceiling. It's so nice, the lighting. It has also a piano, I guess it's a piano, and a chair. The waiting area, the smell is very nice. Look at that, how beautiful is that. Wow, wow, this is only in Kempinski Hotel at the Pearl Qatar. So napakaganda, pwede kayong magtambay-tambay. It's so relaxing here guys, just staying. And look at the beautiful Pearl Qatar. In front of that, that's Porto Arabia at Pearl Qatar. And then that side is Kanat Quarter. Wow, it's a nice, it's a nice like scenery that you can see at the balcony. So good. As you can see, wow, wow. Have you been here guys? Look at that.